Hello fellow planters, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so you can get some really cool information about plants. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few of the pots that are available to purchase from Ikea this year. So to start, I'm going to talk about this one here. I really like the style of this pot, you know, the shape and everything. This is the PAPAJA 2106. The stock number at Ikea is 704.217.14. And what's really nice about this is it comes in different sizes and different colors. So this one is the PAPAJA Ikea number 404.217.01, and I think it's the PAPAJA 2050. It's 12 centimeters or 4 3/4 inches. Whereas this one is 10.5 centimeters or 4 1/4 inches. And they have a nice satin finish, nice satin glaze, no drainage hole, which is something I like in pots. And they're just overall beautiful, and they come in a lot more colors than I saw available in the store here in Charlotte. And then we have this style here, and this one is the MUSKOT2112 Ikea stock number 703.081.95, and it's also glazed on the inside. You know, I selected the pots that were glazed on the inside. They had a lot of other pots which I didn't like the quality of too much. And it has these nice ribs. And what's nice is this comes in a lot of different sizes. It even has one size bigger than that pot. Just really nice, good pot. Now, before I get into this one, I'm going to skip over and show you a couple of the bonus items I got from Ikea. The first one is this terrarium style cover, if you want extra humidity on a plant. And the second one is the one that also has a base with it. Now, I did sift through these to cherry pick, especially since sometimes you would see like an air bubble in them, like here, for example. And these are handmade quality. They both have a label on them, but they are really nice. Here's another air bubble I'm noticing. But this one here, they don't tell me, like, they don't have a fancy Ikea name for them, but it's number 16790, and it's Ikea stock number 303.272.52, whereas this one is, they have a number of 16790, but they don't have a fancy name that I could find on here. But the Ikea stock number is 104.362.85. So these are really good for the plants that are not too large and love high humidity. Now we get to this bad boy here. What a stylish pot. It has what, like, you feel that versus this. It has a nice rough powder coated like finish and a nice gray color and style. It just looks excellent, especially for a nice chic apartment like this one I just moved into the other day. And it comes in different sizes, and when you look at Ikea's website, it has really high reviews. But there's one thing I'm not too crazy about with this pot. And that's not the fact that there is no drainage holes, because you guys know that I love drainage holes, and it's not the fact that it's not glazed on the inside. The issue is it chips easily, and you can see that it's a very thin coat. And because it's not like a nice smooth sheen, I wonder if it will, as you water the plants, if it will start on the inside like peeling, you know, the coat will start coming off and stuff, and then compromise the clay, because you can see it's like a type of clay, but it's made in Germany. So it could be a good lasting pot, you never know. But that's just my concern. And I cherry picked these to make sure I got one that wasn't chipped, and unfortunately, I don't know if this got chipped after I purchased it or before, so I'll have to touch that up with a marker. But that's the thing I'm not too crazy about with this pot. And this is the PERSILLADE 2046, and this one is the PERSILLADE 2109. The stock number on the bigger one is 903.467.66, and on the smaller one, 003.157.26. This one is a 12 centimeter pot and 4 3/4 inches, so it's the same size as this one, although this one's a smidgen taller. And then this one is 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches. So anyway, I hope you found this informative and are inspired on what to look for on your next trip to IKEA if you go this year. Thanks for watching and happy planting!